Do you know the past tense and past participle forms of these irregular verbs? Sow, sowed, sown. And by the way, it's pronounced as sow, not sue. Next, read, read, read. Only the pronunciation changes. Draw, drew, drawn. It's very tricky, right? Irregular verbs do not follow the standard or grammar rule when it comes to changing their past tense and past participle forms. So the best thing that we can do from here is familiarize them or memorize them. In the English grammar rules or protocols, regular verbs change their forms into past tense and past participle by just adding d or ed after them. Examples: walk, walked, walked. Jump, jumped, jumped. Melt, melted, melted. Pack, packed, packed. Yada yada. At ito ang konting kalamang dapat na alam mo. Alam niyo ba kung bakit kulay berde ang mga dahon mga sombrero? Simple lang. Dahil ito sa presence ng green pigment na tinatawag na chlorophyll. Ang chlorophyll mga sombrero ay present sa chloroplast na tumutulong naman sa biological process na tinatawag na photosynthesis. Sa proseso ng photosynthesis mga sombreros, dito na nangyayari ang pag-convert ng light energy mula sa araw yan into chemical energy. Hence, paggawa nila ng sarili nilang pagkain. At yan ang konting kalamang dapat na alam mo. Muli po ito po sa Sombrero Dennis nagsasabing ang buhay ay mas lalo nagiging masaya, mas lalo nagiging puno ng faith, hope, and love pag si Lord Jesus Christ ang ating Panginoon tagapagligtas at pag-asa. Muli po, maraming salamat po sa sumasama sa journey ng learning, ng wisdom, ng knowledge. See you sa next segment and paalam po. Bye-bye! Paalam po, rambutan kayo dyan!